Walking corpse syndrome. What happens in this disease? Patients truly believe that they are dead, rotting, missing organs, or have lost their soul. Some stop eating. Some visit cemeteries to be with the dead. Causes: severe depression, brain injury, or neurological conditions like dementia. Brain scans of patients show some dysfunction in areas controlling self-awareness. Number of cases: only 200 documented cases worldwide. Stone man syndrome. Any minor injury, like a fall or vaccine, causes muscles to turn into bone. Movement becomes impossible. Joints lock, ribs fuse, and patients become trapped in a second skeleton. Causes: genetic mutation. Bone forms outside the skeleton, even without injury. Number of cases: 1 in 2 million people get this disease. Only 900 registered cases worldwide. Too pretty syndrome. Exposure to overwhelming beauty causes dizziness, increased heartbeat, hallucinations, or fainting. It's a physical reaction to overloaded beauty. Causes: brain's emotional or visual centers get overloaded, causing a fight or flight response. Number of cases: more than 100 tourists are hospitalized yearly in Florence. Alice in Wonderland Syndrome. Objects appear distorted. Rooms shrink or stretch. Hands look giant or tiny. Time feels slowed or speed up. Causes: often migraines, infections, or certain medications. Number of cases: almost 1 in 50,000 people get extreme form of this disease. No pain syndrome. Patients feel zero physical pain from birth. They won't notice broken bones, burns, or infections. Many of them bite off fingertips or tongue accidentally. Causes: genetic mutation that blocks pain signals to the brain. Number of cases: only 300 confirmed cases globally. Which disease surprised you most? Let me know in the comments section. For more videos, like, share and subscribe my channel.